asked to integrate 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x, 1 plus x into dx. So we can't integrate directly. So we're going to replace x by the trigonometric identity x equal to cos 2 theta. Why we select this identity? We then only able to remove the square root. For example, you know the trigonometric formula cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then minus 1 become plus 1. Then we have a cos square theta. Like that, cos 2 theta in the form of sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So bring 2 minus sin square theta, it become a cos minus cos 2 theta. The two identity will help to remove the square root. So instead of x, substitute cos 2 theta. When change the variable x into theta, we need function also here t theta we need. So differentiating x with respect to theta, dx by d theta. Now differentiate of cos 2 theta become minus sin 2 theta. Then differentiate of 2 theta become a 2. Finally we can write dx equal to minus 2 sin 2 theta into t theta. Now we change the variable, then we want to change the limit also. X equal to cos 2 theta, we can write as a 2 theta equal to cos inverse of x. So now we want to change the limit. When x is the variable, the limit is, when x is the variable, the limit is 0 to 1. So we want to find what is the limit for theta. Now instead of x, substitute 0, cos inverse of 0, it become pi by 2. So 2 theta equal to pi by 2, then theta equal to pi by 4. So when x value is 0, for theta it become a pi by 4. When cos 0, it become a cos inverse of 0 become a 0. So theta equal to, you can write as a 0 because cos inverse of 0 value is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Then 0 equal to cos inverse of 1. So degree is 0. When divided by 2 also it become a 0 only. Theta equal to 0. When limit is x for 1, upper limit, theta become a 0. Now we can rearrange the item. Let I equal to limit. The lower limit value is pi by 4. Upper limit value is 0. Now square root of, instead of 1 minus x, we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Instead of dx, minus 2 sin 2 theta into d theta. Now integral of pi by 4 into 0 square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, you can write 2 sin square theta. Then 1 plus cos theta, write 2 cos square theta. Then minus 2 sin 2 theta into t theta. Now 2 cancel. When apply the square root, it become a pi by 4. 0. Numerator become a sin theta. Denominator become a cos theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta into t theta. Now instead of sin 2 theta, we can write as a sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Now we can apply the identity integral over pi by 4 to 0 sin theta by cos theta. Now minus 2 into, instead of sin 2 theta, we can write 2 sin theta cos theta into t theta. Now cos theta eliminated, 2 into 2 4. Take minus 4 out of limit pi by 4 to 0. Then we have sin square theta into t theta. So we didn't have a direct integral of sin square theta. Integral of sin theta minus cos theta. But sin square theta is there. Now again you can use the same formula. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we continue the second part, minus 4 pi by 4 to 0 sin square theta and t theta. Directly we can integrate. So we can use the trigonometric identity cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Bring it here 2 sin square theta, 1 minus cos 2 t theta. Then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Because we know the integral of sin theta, we didn't have any direct integral formula, integral of sin square theta. That's why we rearrange the variable in terms of cos. So minus 4 integral of pi by 4 0. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Here we didn't change the variable, just change the identity. Sin theta became cos theta. For previous one we changed x into cos 2 theta. That's why you want to change the limit. But you don't need to change the limit because we have same variable. Just use identity alone. Sin theta converted into terms of cos 2 theta. Now 2 to eliminated. Then we have minus 2 in the integral of pi by 4 0 1 minus cos 2 theta into d theta. Now integral of 1 become a theta. Then minus cos 2 theta become a sin 2 theta by 2. That coefficient of variable right in denominator. So integral of cos 2 theta sin 2 theta. Then write the coefficient of variable in denominator 2. The lower limit pi by 4, upper limit 0. When you substitute the value minus 2 into, instead of beta substitute 0. So both the term become a 0. Sin 0, 0 only will come. Then minus of lower limit pi by 4 minus of sin 2 into pi by 4. Now 2 and pi by 4 eliminated become pi by 2. So minus 2 into overall become a 0. Minus multiply pi by 4 minus to minus plus sin pi by 2 1. Then we have a denominator 2 also is there. So divided by 2 will come. Instead of theta substitute pi by 4. 2 to eliminated. Then we have sin pi by 2 numerator. The denominator value 2 is there. So sin pi by 2 value is 1. Then denominator value 2. When minus 2 multiply inside. 2 to eliminate minus into minus plus pi by 4. 2 to eliminator. Then minus 1. So here very simple. That part alone I will explain more time. Minus sin. Instead of theta substitute pi by 4. Then we have already denominator 2 is there. Then we can write minus of sin pi by 2 by 2. Sin pi by 2 value is 1. It became minus 1 by 2. Then minus 2 multiply both the term. Finally we have pi by 4 and minus 1. So I equal to 5 by 4 minus 1.